these in two pieces. Okay, so you have to assemble them on a poster board, and then after you get them glued to the paste or pasted on the poster board, they look like this. All right, and then get them laminated, of course. That way you can show them to a lot of people, and they don't fall apart on you.
Yeah, don't need to hold so long. I can get it. Yeah.
Okay. And the two on Noah's Ark that you have, I loaned to a TV station because I'm going to be doing an interview, and they have it at the moment.
Okay.
So these, you switch the links to the next one. All right, and then you raise it up.
Oh, I see. And then hook it together there.
And then that comes down and you hook these and disconnect these. And then you go on up.
So that's how you do the pyramids, huh?
Right.
Show how it goes
down
down
first.
Start over here.
How did you ever
How did you
come up
figure
with
this
something
out?
like
Well,
this?
we prayed about it. Okay.
We prayed about it.
And so anyway, you disconnect the lower levers, and you connect to the upper levers. All right, and then by turning these,
You have a lot of slave work, huh? Slaves did that.
well, just hired help, basically. Yeah, these are a little bit.
And this is how they transported all the stones and everything
That's how they lifted them up.
up to make the pyramids.
Well, I'll just send you a copy and you can use it over there.
Why do you want to make it like?
Well, there's
history
people.
and-
Well, there's people that have books that say if you get left
Steve, what's
behind
this?
at the rapture,
This
follow
is
these
the
instructions,
pyramid.
you can still go to heaven.
Perhaps what they use for pyramid building.
Stuff like that.
Do you believe in it?
Well, I believe Ham, when he buried Sarah,
Oh yeah.
he had these with him. And then when Isaac and
Ishmael.
Ishmael buried Abraham, they used these, and it was part of the lighting system in the cave of Machpelah.
I see. Okay.
And we found others. Well, this one they put the olive in here and mash the meat off of it. Then they throw the seed out or do whatever they did with olive seeds. They probably didn't waste them. But then they press the oil out of the seed. This one, apparently,
What is that?
well, this is a piece
Noah's
of
Ark.
deck timber.
Oh, this is petrified wood, is it?
Turn that light on right there, Bo, and
Hot
take
and
that
now.
out of the way.
Pressure like.
There you go.
Piece of deck timber.
Hey, don't block
Yeah,
the
move
light.
it over in the light a little more.
Okay.
Okay. It's decay ready. Otherwise, there's nothing there to petrify. Once it's decayed, it's gone, decay ready, which is a matter of a few years, contrary to popular opinion.
Boy, this is really weighty, heavy.
It is. Yeah, it's about 36 pounds.
36 pounds.
Really? Wow. It doesn't look like.
Government.
Oh, this is from Turkey. Hey, look, look.
Here's.
Okay.
This is the rivet from Noah's Ark.
That is huge.
There's thousands of these. Now this one, we sent pieces of it to 5 different laboratories, so we don't have a whole lot left. Now this is a carpelite, and basically what that is, it's fossilized animal dropping.
Which one? This.
Oh, yeah.
This one.
This is the animal poopy.
Yeah, fossilized.
Become hard already.
Yeah.
Become stone.
You want to hold it?
You want a whole poopy?
Wow, it's not.
It's become
Ancient
stone.
one.
Yeah, this, I believe it. Well, everything before the flood was big. All the animals were.
Kangaroo poopy.
From Noah's Ark. This proves that there were
Antler from Noah's Ark.
undomesticated animals on this boat.
This is like the.
The bottom of the antler.
How do you get a camera?
This is
Sodom
sulfur
and Gomorrah. We got
and burned
seal.
sulfur.
Oh.
And this is a human thumb bone here.
Thumb?
Yeah.
Oh, the big man.
That's this bone right here.
This is for a tall person, bigger
From
person.
pre-flood.
Yeah. Pre-flood.
From before the flood.
Wow, look at that. It's a genuine
Chris,
thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the
Pre-flood
thumb bone.
thumb
Okay, see the thumb bone?
It goes
Yeah.
You
this
see?
section
It's on
right
the
there.
left
Yeah,
hand.
on the left hand, he says.
Yeah, it's this bone right here.
你睇我哋個 bone is this size, no? Before the flood, people so big, so much bigger.
Yep.
Your left hand, right?
Yep.
See? Now it's like this. Now our hand is this length. Before flood is this length. So you just
That'd
see
make
that.
great basketball players.
Yeah, just
Double the size, huh?
More than double.
More
yeah.
than
My daughter would like to have. A
Oh,
picture.
okay.
You see?
In other words, this is a young person, probably about,
Also this thing.
yeah, the same bone.
This one is no more
They
out there.
have
They
turned it
found it.
this way.
Okay.
Oh, so this is like the baby.
Well,
Oh, it's a kid.
it,
Like a
yeah,
kid, no.
the epiphyseal junctures are not,
see?
were not calcified, which means that
Yeah.
they were, probably about 10 or 11
10,
years
11-year-old
old.
person, bigger than me already.
Yeah.
What
Now,
does that mean?
this- it's
No,
the
it's
part
here,
that
the
lengthens
cartilage.
as you get older.
See, as you
See,
get older,
if
it's
children
like-
didn't, if their bones didn't get longer and bigger,
Yeah.
it'd be one weird looking thing. Now this is
This
what
one's on the
your
baby.
bone looked like.
Oh, my bone looks like
That's right. You take the
Oh.
skin
Oh, our
and
bone is that small?
Of course, in our
this is
head.
a lady's. Yep.
Oh.
Ladies.
I see. So when they're all three
So
together,
all
then
three together, you can see
Yeah.
what it looks
This
like.
is this
This
is today,
now.
and it's
This
pre-flood.
is a kid,
Pre-flood
Oh.
kid.
pre-flood kid, and then that's
Yep.
a
And a pre-flood
pre-flood
adult.
adult. Wow.
And this is a pre-flood acorn cap.
No.
It's a
Okay.
kid.
And this is what they look like now.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Pre-flood
Don't be
acorn
here.
cap.
Oh, this side.
You want to take another one? I'll move it off
The
again.
glass is easier.
Come,
The
come,
glass
come,
will
come.
keep it from taking.
I think the lights from the
Yeah.
back.
Oh,
Let him look at the nose art thing. See, would
Did you get it?
step out? Oh, sit on nose art, yeah. Okay.
No, the baby on the ark. Put the baby on the ark.
Yeah, here. Hey, give him a look up here, honey. Tell him to look up here. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Diana, your hand. Next. Break it.
I
Otherwise,
used to take it around when I did press.
Lift it up. Lift it up.
But I started getting awful headaches. From carrying that
It
weight on
is.
my
It's
shoulder.
36 pounds. The only way to
36
carry it is
pounds.
use a backpack.
It's about my weight.
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Now,
It's
how,
about my sister weight.
how is it that
Section on it, which we did.
on
The
that
end.
cut-
They cut the
Yeah.
end.
And also, you can tell that's wood just by looking
Yeah,
at
it sure looks like it.
It's Pecky cypress, to be exact.
Cypress wood.
Is that gopher wood?
Well, gopher is laminated. Laminated.
It is.
What do you mean
That,
by
and
that?
what would that be?
Well,
in
there's three
ivory?
pieces of wood there,
Oh,
glued together and nailed together with titanium nails.
really?
Yeah, look right here. There's one of the nails
Well, they
right
were
there.
very advanced in
What's the nail?
technology. You
Yep.
know,
That
before-
it's a
before
square
the flood, they were
nail.
very,
There's
very
the there's the
Uh-huh.
this
Okay, what,
this
what's
nail
that? See?
would hold
Steve, can you show that?
yeah that little 1/8 inch square right there is the shank of a nail that held 3 laminations of this wood together.
Uh-huh.
Laminated wood.
Okay, both of you get down there so I can take a picture. Come on. We just guessed what it was,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah, thank you.
And let's see.
So what
That's
is
from-
this?
This
It's
is
sulfur.
from Gomorrah.
Sulfur.
Millions and millions of these out there.
Yeah.
And you can tell they came through the atmosphere because they're kind of rounded off. See? As they come
Right.
through.
Comes through,
The heat of friction sets them afire, and that rounds them off.
And so these originated out in space.
Kind of like a kitchen match.
Because,
Apparently,
yeah.
apparently God just
Yeah,
created them out there and dropped
them in. Yeah.
Okay, if you
That's
want to.
huge.
Yeah,
That one's
thank you.
big.
Oh, they come
Oh, yeah.
much larger size than
In
that.
fact, they're talking about what do you call it? They're talking about.
Here's you a couple of more.
Oh,
You'll
thank
wrap
you.
those.
Yeah.
Để ngay cỏ.
Now those are quite soft, aren't they?
Because they're
No,
softer.
they're
softer.
powdery,
Yeah.
Powdery.
So,
but they're
sulfur
not
does that.
soft. It's
Oh.
sulfur. Now this is the only place on Earth that you can find this kind of sulfur. No.
Oh, really?
That's right.
So it must be originated from out there.
That's right. It's
Yeah.
the only
What-
place on Earth.
What makes it unique?
Well, it's 96, 97% pure.
Pure.
The highest purity level you find anywhere else is like 30%.
30%.
Maximum. Yeah.
This is pure.
So how many do you take out of there? You must have taken several pounds out of there.
Oh, there's no limit to what's in there. There's millions of them. So
Okay.
when I go, I just get a couple of free bags full.